Hello and welcome back. I've not done a video in so long now just because I've been at work all the time, but I've quit my job because today I'm going to Bali. I'm travelling around Bali for like 2.5 weeks. This trip has been planned since September last year and it is June, so I've waited like 9 months and I'm literally flying in like a few hours. I'm flying from Birmingham Airport to Dubai and then changing planes at Dubai and then flying straight to Bali. So it's like an 18-hour flight. Yeah, I've got this under control. So yeah, I thought I'd do a fat vlog because I'm just in my element. I'm in my element, you know what I mean? I thought I'd start the vlog here before I'm like rushing around or probably crying at the airport because I always get stopped at the airport. I think people think I'm a druggie or something. So I get stopped for like drug checks all the time. Anyway, welcome to the start of this Bali vlog and I will see you probably on the plane. Just a quick one, I forgot to show you my airport outfit, which I just feel like is an essential, but got this unitard on, which was from Pretty Little Thing, the jacket, and then the slides, and then I've got my suitcase, which literally weighs a ton. I don't know how I'm going to pick that up, and then my big ass rucksack. Made it! So I made it on the plane. I don't know if it's anything. On the first plane to Dubai. Got a long ass flight again. Chicken and rice. Harriet Scott. Oh my god, that was unreal. Nice tree. We have made it to Dubai airport. We made it! We have literally woken up in paradise. Look at that view. I can't wait to get outside, look at that. It's so pretty.
Hot food when it's
We
hot,
got
isn't it?
breakfast.
Yeah, I know.
Leaving the hotel. Dua has come to save it. We've made it to our first accommodation. Are you? Oh, this one's pretty and oh my god, it's so tropical. We are heading to the beach club. Outfit of the day. And this is our first hostel. It's quite cute with the pools and the little huts. We have made it to Finn's Beach Club. Yes! Sexy ladies, sexy. Oh my god, I love it. Real. Literally unreal. Oh my god, this looks unreal.
How should we take a picture of this?
Look at you. It's currently 6 in the morning on Monday. Not really like spoke what I'm doing yet. I feel like these clips have just been really weird. I literally can't sleep. Like, I've had the worst jet lag. So I've had like 4 hours sleep each night and I just can't sleep. So I thought this morning, I've been awake since 3, so I thought I'd come and watch the sunset. I mean sunrise. Oh, I literally can't think straight. So I'm literally out here right now. Just waiting for it to come up. So basically we had the first day on Saturday. That was just a day to like stuff about, get the SIM card ready, like get my money exchanged in that, but my card just didn't work in the machines. So I'm having to like transfer money over to my friends so they can get money out for me because my card's just not working. And then yesterday was Sunday, we went to Finn's Beach Club, which was really good. So at the moment I'm in Kuta. That's the first place, so we're here for 3 nights. So I've already done 2 nights. It literally looks so pale and it's just not it, do you know what I mean? But today we're going surfing, which I've never done before. So I actually have a fear of the sea. Like, I've got a fear of the sea, and next week I'm volunteering in the sea to meet like marine, we're building coral reefs in the sea. But today I'm learning how to surf, which I've never done. and I'm scared like a shark's gonna come out and eat me. So that's gonna be great. And what else are we doing? And then I'm going to one of the temples, and then later in the evening we're watching like, I don't know if it's called like a kayaki or something, dance show. It's like their like traditional dance show, and then like waiting for the sunset. So hopefully that'll be good, because it's been like a bit cloudy recently, so the clouds have like covered the sky so you can't see anything, but hopefully it'll brighten up. But this is the accommodation we're staying in for the first 3 nights. So this is in Kuta, and just these like really cute little huts. But yeah, I'm gonna try and vlog along the way. Yeah, I literally can't see any sunrise at the moment. I don't know what's going on. But yeah. Right now we are here about to surf and I'm shitting myself. How are you feeling? We look like I'm actually gonna cry. Oh my god. What is this temple called?
Uluwatu.
Uluwatu.
Hey Tom, I'm going to pass out.
So hello there. So you have got the, what is it?
Chicken teriyaki here. I've got lovely half-shake rice. Probably vegetables.
It was a red man.
Doesn't it? I don't think so.
We all like smile.
That better not go on like YouTube channel.
So this is our last day at this hostel, and then we're moving on into Ubud later. We're going to another temple today, and then to a waterfall afterwards. But yeah, I'm trying to catch a bit of a tan. This is the current settings that we're in. We've literally got like 10 minutes till we need to leave. Oh, goodbye room. It's nice knowing you. We have arrived at Tanalot. Hello people. There's another temple over there which is literally unreal. I don't know if we can get to them though. No, because that's a real snake. No, what the hell?
Baby snake.
No, that's actually mad. No. Oh my god. No. When I tell you I literally just shit myself. How did you feel? No, that was just horrible. That was actually just horrible. We're at the second half of the temple, honestly guys. What is that? What is that? What is it? This is just not the vibe, guys. Like, what is this? It's too hot. I'm not getting the Instagram in this heat. Like, I literally can't. It's fucking boiling. Just made it to a waterfall, but I don't actually know what it's called. Sorry, but just look how unreal this is. We're in paradise, bitches. Come on. Oh, with some money in my pocket. Keep up. Got the nappy. They're like the same size. Oh my god. We have arrived at the second accommodation. This is well nice. Harriet has just opened the door to our second accommodation. Oh my god, it's warm! Oh my god, it's so pretty! Literally the most British food ever. And that's so cool. We've made it to the rice fields. Very pretty. So these guys make coffee from the poo. What? That's so crazy. No way. That's mad.
The poop,
That is
dry
the
like
poo.
this. After we dry, we wash by hot water.
What?
Minute for 1 kilo until become small powder. Grind it again until all coffee powder.
So then later for this set tea and coffee combination, you can see from here the direction, the same place and then with the number.
I'm like that. Have you ever watched Over the Hedge? I'm like that squirrel because I don't drink it. Oh wait,
That looks like hot chocolate, that is. It's really nice. Oh my god. Wow.
again.
I feel like Sorry. Okay, last one. Release your dress. Close your dress. I don't know what we're doing.
For lunch. Wow. We have made it to the monkey forest. Funny.
He's really having fun with this.
Yeah.
They're like humans, aren't they? Like they wash it in
It's 2 o'clock in the morning and we're going to climb a mountain. I actually look like a fucking boy. No, because this is not it. Look at me, Harriet. You're tipping.
We're getting faster. Yes. Like half an hour. Point 1 here.
So we're at point 1. You can't even see it. No. Oh wow. We made it to the top, but sunrise is not here yet. Oh my god. Yay! You can't even see it. My little dude. That's so funny. Come on, son. Why is it like just the sun? Oh my god, guys.
Getting clear vision. Getting vision.
Unreal. This monkey has just jumped on me and nicked my Oreo. Or is it the one over there? That is so pretty. Oh, this is quite big. Wow, let's get drunk.
Put them all together.
Yeah. Okay. Slide it on. That's so pretty. We are now leaving Ubud to go to Lovina as our next stop. We had to walk through a monkey forest to go to our breakfast called Blend, but it was really nice. There's a temple. Really not dressed properly for this. Kind of We've arrived at the third location in Lovina. I've just woke up from a nap, so I literally don't know what's going on. But we've just booked for a Nails massage, full body massage, and it's going to be £4.95. I'm excited about that. Oh, this is our little room. Sorry. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, there's a kettle. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my god, a full-length mirror. Harry, there's a full-length mirror. Ah! This is our massage room.